You just left for work, and your trusty Ecovacs Deebot T8 is diligently cleaning your home. But what if you come back to find it stuck, spinning in circles? And this happens? It's a common problem for many Deebot T8 owners, often caused by a faulty left wheel. Think of it like a car with a flat tire. It's hard to move forward when one wheel isn't working properly. It might seem like a minor inconvenience, but a stubborn left wheel on your Ecovacs Deebot T8 can turn into a real headache. Ignoring the problem could lead to expensive repairs, a potential fire hazard, and a whole lot of dust bunnies. Let's be honest, a broken robot vacuum is no laughing matter. And now you might be thinking,
I can fix this?
But let's be real, robot vacuums are more complex than they seem. A DIY repair could turn into a costly mistake. Save yourself the hassle and let the professionals handle it. We know a broken robot vacuum can be a real pain. That's why RoboCare is here to help. We offer expert repairs and preventative maintenance, so you can enjoy a clean home without the worry of a burnt-out Deebot T8. At RoboCare, our technicians are experts in diagnosing these problems. We use specialized tools to check for wear and tear, debris buildup, and any potential electrical issues with the left wheel. We understand that these robots are an investment, and we treat them with the utmost care and attention to detail. Once we've identified the problem, we either repair the existing wheel or replace it with a genuine Ecovacs part. We don't just throw parts at the problem. We take the time to understand the root cause so we can fix it right the first time. We also make sure to test the Deebot T8 thoroughly after repairs, ensuring it navigates smoothly and avoids those frustrating stuck moments. Look at that, a clean, happy Deebot back to cleaning like new. See the difference? RoboCare for all your robot vacuum repair needs. Our customer was thrilled to have their robot vacuum returned, working like new and providing a stress-free cleaning experience. Get in touch with RoboCare today, and we'll make sure your Deebot T8 keeps running smoothly for years to come.